What's up, guys? It's Nick, the Hauler Junk Removal. So, I was in a meeting last night, and everybody's saying, you know, some guys were saying, oh, if you have a nicer truck, you could charge more money. And I don't think that's right. I don't think you can. I think you can charge what you can charge. I drive this old 1973 goddamn beater. Look at this thing. We got little signs on it that help out. It runs, it dumps, it's cheap, and so it's all profit. We don't have anything over our head. We don't have high insurance, even though we have workers' comp, or we have all these insurances that we take care of, umbrella policies. But we don't have like a car payment, super expensive insurance. I don't have to smog this thing, so it's all profit. And if it breaks down, it's cheap to fix. A lot of the newer trucks are super expensive when those things break down. Parts are hard to come by, super expensive because you can't fix it yourself. When you get an older vehicle, it may not look super pretty, but at the end of the day, I think your customer, they just want to know how much it's going to cost them and when you can pick that shit up. They don't care if you come in with all your logos and all pretty and your car's all wrapped around looking all fresh, like all these big fucking 1-800 guys or Junk King or Junk Clugger guys. Because I know some of those guys are sitting around, they're just breaking even. When we're going out and doing jobs, we're making money, dude. Every job we're profitable because we don't have overhead. Keep your overhead low. You don't have that overhead, you're gonna make money. No matter what. No matter if you go pick up a $50 refrigerator. It's all profit. Because for one, all you're doing is picking it up and then you're taking the recycler, dropping it off for free, or some people get paid for them. And then when you go pick up a single item for $50 or whatever, half the time, I'd say 75% of the time, they're gonna throw more shit on it anyway. So, you know, there's always ways to make more money. I'm gonna set this up here. We're gonna go to our first job and make some money today. But yeah, I don't think it's how nice your truck is or your uniforms or shit or this or that. I think it's all about customer service, what your price, what you go do the job for, and everybody's prices are different. You know, a lot of people are like, oh dude, that's fucking so cheap, or oh, that's expensive. Hey, get what you get. There's no set standard price. Oh, standard 15 cubic feet or cubic yards, that's a standard price. That's fucking bullshit. There ain't no standards in this business. What are you, a bunch of union guys? You make the standard, dude. You decide what you're gonna charge people. So, you know, I don't know. Bottom line, you just gotta be happy when you pull up your job and you say it's gonna be X amount of dollars and you can do it for X and you're gonna make money. That's all that matters at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it all matters like you providing for yourself and your family or your significant other or whatever, whoever you're going to pay for. If it's just yourself, it's for yourself. Bottom line, it doesn't matter. Everybody has different pricing all across the board. You know, and because we've tested the waters. I mean, I've sent stuff out there. Our guys bid on it. Out of 6 people, and all 6 companies were all different pricing on the same product, on the same pickup. So it's always going to be different. It's always what you're going to be able to afford, what you want to make. So don't let anybody tell you, oh, it's a standard price, or oh, you need to have one of those fucking nice Gucci ass fucking trucks. Because those Gucci ass trucks come with a Gucci ass payment. Or you're gonna have to be spending a lot of money on it, you know. Fuck that shit. I want to be able to take off and go do what I want to do when I want to do it. I don't want fucking Uncle Sam coming at me and trying to take all my cash back or making payments on something. When you have everything paid off, it's all profit, buddy. All 100% profit. So anyway, stay tuned. If you like this video, just hang in there, subscribe to us, whatever. If not, hit the road. So yeah, we're gonna go do our first job today. I think we have like 100 jobs on the books. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to job number 1. It's 9 o'clock.